Hey, Chuck! Need any help with transporting all that? With Dogs Rental, nothing could be simpler. You can even make a reservation with your smartphone. To get yourself registered, we just require your personal data, identity card, and driving license. After you have accepted the terms and conditions and made an honesty statement, we can move on to the next step. Welcome to the reservation area. With this practical card, you will quickly find the nearest pickup point. Choose the date and time to pick up the vehicle. Which utility vehicle do you want to rent? Great choice, Chuck! Did you know you can also pay via the app? The last step is recording any damage. Then you can get going. You just need to load and transport your things. If you had a small accident while driving, don't worry. If the car is damaged, you can also report this through our application. After the rental, remember to fill up the fuel tank and leave the used vehicle in a clean state. It will be fully cleaned for the next rental. Is everything paid for? Or do you still have to collect your deposit? Use the app. It includes everything. Handy, don't you think? Now try it for yourself. Reserve your utility vehicle and pick it up at your chosen location, close to you.